everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the long-awaited 350 subscriber giveaway. I have yet to get 350 subscribers, but I figure by the end of this giveaway I will have them, so it works. So I'm just going to do this as a holiday giveaway. It is for you guys. I want to give back. There's a lot of you who have been with me for a really long time and a lot of you who are new. I got my YouTube stats the other day and I have gained 157 subscribers this year, which is insane. I feel like 1,000 is just right over that hill. I just need to get more momentum going. So doing a giveaway for y'all. So before I get into showing you guys the makeup, the skincare, the cozy items, everything that is in here, let's talk rules. These will also be listed in the description below. So if you miss something, they'll be all listed down below. The first rule is you gotta be subscribed, turn the little bell on, do all that stuff, okay, obviously, so you have to subscribe. Second thing is, in my candle haul video, which will be going up the day after this goes up, you will have to identify the 4 secret words. They will be hidden in the video somewhere, so you'll have to look around the screen and find them. I will make them not like obvious, like blinking on the screen, but they'll be somewhere fairly easy to find. Once you find those 4 secret words, you have to DM me on Instagram, which will be listed down below, and let me know what they are. And that will enter you. For an extra entry, follow me on Instagram and let me know you did follow me on Instagram by commenting down below with your Instagram name. Also, to be entered, you do have to comment down below, so you can just put your Instagram name and I'll count that as your comment and your extra entry, or you can just leave a comment saying what your favorite thing was down below if you don't have Instagram. Also, if you want an extra entry and you don't have Instagram, you can follow me on Twitter. Same thing, leave your Twitter down below. So I will go over these rules again at the end of the video, and like I said, they will be in the description. So let's get started into what I am giving away. So one of the things I picked up is from Old Navy, and it is this water bottle. It is 25 ounces, so it's quite big, and it's just pink with some pink polka dots on it. I don't think there's a straw. No, it's just like a regular water bottle, so you can put stickers on it if you want, but I figured it is winter, everyone needs to stay hydrated because our skin is drying out, so you can get a 25-ounce water bottle. I also got some cozy socks. These are just a dark teal, and there's like a light pink band at the top, and then a white pair as well, so you can share these with a friend. You can keep them both for yourself. Whatever you decide. These are ladies size socks, but they're fairly stretchy, so I think anyone can wear them. You're also going to get this wristlet from Old Navy. It is like a dark blue and it has a Cheeto with sunglasses on it. You would definitely fit your phone, wallet, keys, all that good stuff in here. I like to use these to go shopping, or you can use it as like a travel makeup bag. It's fairly small and could fit in some luggage. Then you're going to get this Birchbox makeup bag. It says all the things. And inside of it, I have lots of stuff. So, there is an R&Co Rodeo Star Thickening Styling Mousse, an Ombre Dry Texture Spray. This is something that I got from a giveaway. It is a blow-up beach ball, but it has hearts on it, so you're going to get that. 2 NYX glosses. These are the butter glosses in Sunday Mimosa and Vanilla Cream Pie. I tried to pick like neutral colors that would kind of fit for everybody, and I think these will be pretty good. A Benefit Gimme Brow. I got this in a giveaway as well, but it is not my shade, so all for you right there. Perfume sample. And then this is a Lock Shadow Stick in Impress Me, right? Yes, in Impress Me. A Model Co. Liquid Lip, and it is matte, and it is in the color Peachy Nude. So there's that. And then a Marcel BB Cream in Golden Glow. This is a skin enhancer, and it says for all skin types. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I think it's one of those self-adjusting ones. So you're gonna get this bag of these mini goodies. Also gonna get the Real Techniques mini sponges. There are 4 in here. I love these for doing concealer, so I figured I would throw those in. You're also gonna get a down to the pore chin and forehead and nose pore strips from Formula 1006. I love this brand, so you're gonna get these. And also Formula 1006 Keep Me Clean Clarifying Facial Wipes. These are great for taking off makeup, and also just when you need like a good wipe down. I like to take these for like sleepovers and stuff. They're really good for if you don't want to wash your whole face like it's late at night. You can at least wipe your face off with these and it'll feel clean. Then you're going to get not 1, not 2, but 3 Makeup Revolution palettes. You are going to get the Reloaded Visionary one, which has some neutrals and some really pretty purples. This is a great fall palette. You're going to get the Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar Rose Gold 2 blush palette. Some of these could definitely be used as highlighters with how shimmery they are, so you're going to get that. And then also the Reloaded Basic Mattes. So kind of something for everybody in that one. You are also going to get the Clarify and Brighten facial mask. This is one of the pink hydrogels, so it's like those weird gel ones that you put on. That's a couple different pieces, and this is the unicorn shake one, and I've used this and this actually works really well, and smells super good. You're also going to get the Glow Quick Treat. This is a makeup correction like glove, I guess you could call it. It goes on your finger and you can just like wipe away makeup if you get like glitter down here or mascara, and then you can wash it as well. Created what I like to call a sleepover survival kit. There's a whole bunch of different hair stuff in here and some makeup stuff that I will go through for you guys. I also threw some candy down in here. I'm not going to show it, but it is all nut free in case you have an allergy. But there is an Oribe Color Safe shampoo packet. That's shampoo and conditioner. Garnier Fructis Sleek and Style shampoo. Some toothpaste. A healing lotion. A mini body wash. This is Cashmere Glow from Bath & Body. A nail polish in Jewel Tone, so it's like a sparkly top coat. A highlighter from Makeup Revolution. This is their strobe highlighter in Lunar. It's like this pretty purple. This is the Green Tea EGCG Concentrate Cream, so some skincare. This is a hair milk. A hand and nail balm. Lip plumper, 5-in-1 styling treatment, another Oribe dry texturizing spray, a Winky Luxe highlighter. This is in, it doesn't have the shade on here, but it is like a pinky color. Some more skincare stuff, another shampoo, another BB cream. This is a lip moisturizer. It's like a mini chapstick, but I think it has a bit of a tint to it. Another Winky Luxe. I think this is an eyeshadow. Latte Kitten. Yeah, this is a eyeshadow, but I guess you could use it as a highlighter as well. And then there is a sticker in here for you guys. And then there is a whole bunch more shampoo and conditioner and hair serums. What's this one? And a hair mask. So basically the whole theme of this was like sleepover friendly, wintertime, like try out all these different kinds of products. But you guys will get quite a bit of stuff, and it actually comes in like this female empowerment box that I decided to put it in. So if you guys want to enter, like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and look for the 4 secret words in the candle haul video and DM them to me on Instagram. And for extra entries, you can follow me on Instagram. Leave me a comment with your name down below. And if you don't have an Instagram, you can follow me on Twitter and do the same thing. Send me a DM on there with the words, and then comment your Twitter name down below just so I can keep track of it. Please, please, please do not comment the words in the comment section. I will remove your comment, because this happened last time with the guesses for the Funko Pop, and it was so irritating because people just steal other people's stuff, and it's like, it's unfair. So please follow all the rules so you can be entered properly. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you like some of the items in here. You can give them to your friends. The giveaway will close December 30th, so it will be after Christmas, but you guys have plenty of time to enter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and follow all the rules, and good luck.